So, hi, magandang buhay. It's your gal again. It's Franska. And welcome back again to my channel.
on the track.
So, if bago ka pa lang dito, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell down below para updated ka sa mga bago kong videos. So, for today's video guys, this will be a short review or feedback sa aking little journey using the Skinny Cosmetics Rejuvenating Set and body makeup. So, without any further ado, let's jump to the video. Ayun nga, as per what I have said in the beginning, this Skinny Cosmetics Rejuvenating Set is really recommendable. So, ayun guys, gusto ko lang po sabihin na ayun, meron akong dahil nagpiyat ako. So, ayun, these are some examples of my pictures from the past days using this kumbaga yun na yung pinaka-result yung resulta ng paggamit ko for about 3 weeks ng ating Skinny Cosmetics Rejuvenating Set at masasabi ko talaga na guys, it is really beautiful para sa ating skin and recommendable talaga siya. So ayun, nire-recommend ko po na gamitin nyo. Then if gusto nyo lang ma-achieve yung glass skin na nauuso ngayon, di ba? Oo. So ayun, hindi naman ako mahilig gumamit ng mga ganto-ganto, but since ayun si Ate AR, she pushed me to use this product. So I took the risk and talaga namang ito yung risk na hindi ko na pinagsisihan. And so, ngayon, makikita nyo naman po na may changes. May changes pa sa aking mukha. Hindi pantay yung kulay, oo. So, ayun, if you want to afford, this is very affordable guys. Yeah, affordable po siya at talagang sulit po yung ibabayad mo na para po. So, ayun nga po, kung gusto nyo po mag-afford, kindly PM me, add me on Facebook. The name is Franskyle. Or kindly directly PM Ate AR. Her name on Facebook is AR or Arsam. Or you can directly PM her online store, which is the Ikigai online store, and kindly try the other products guys. I'ma go show it at the end of the video. Baka lang po maging interesado kayo. This will be a big help for her daily needs. And sana po, ayun, bumili kayo dahil her products are really good. Talagang thumbs up. So, ayun po. Let's go to the other side of the video. And, big thank you po pala sa aking baby for my shirt today. Yeah, it's tie-dye. Siya po yung gumawa na. So, today I'll be going to do a body makeup or egirl body makeup. Okay. Let's go. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell down below para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. Hope you like it, guys. Paalam!